Okay guys, for today's recipe I have pistachios and mixed nuts and chia seed, and I will mix this and grind it. Okay? Yung pistachio nuts ko, lagyan ko ng chia seed. Okay? Then mix natin sa mixed nuts. Okay? And chia seed, pistachio nuts, and mixed nuts. Mix everything. There you go. My kataipi is ready. And then guys, linagay ko yung pistachio cream sa bowl. And then lagyan natin condensed milk, 1 can. Then guys, lagay na natin yung pistachio cream with condensed milk. Then mix it well. And then guys, mix it well and then make sure it's fully coated. Okay? Maybe I need more pistachio. Okay guys, I mix it well and then make sure it's fully coated. Now guys, I'm putting pistachio and mixed nuts. Okay? Mix it. Okay guys, I'm gonna put this in the tray and then spray it with the cooking oil. Okay? Okay guys, maglagay na tayo ng kataipi sa tray. Is that right? Kataipi? Okay. Okay guys, I'm making a different one that has a strawberry inside. Okay, here. Okay, and another one. There you go.